Hi guys, and welcome back to Jojo's Corners, La Esquina de Jojo. Today, we're looking a little rough, I know. But the reason why we're looking like this is because today I'm going to use my second Shea Ambassador box to wash my hair. And I'm going to walk you somehow through the process. We're going to use this new collection of coconut custard wash and go, and we're going to use all the products that are in the box. So the only way that I can walk you through is by looking like this. No makeup, no nothing. It is Sunday today. You all know my wash days are Sundays. So with that being said, let's get to work. Okay, so let's start to taking off this pony. It has been in my hair for 2 days, guys. 2 days. This is how my hair looks after 2 days of being in a ponytail. I'm going to do a little different. Normally, you know, I wash my hair in the shower, but because I want to record the process, we're going to do something different. I'm going to take the coconut custard Make It Last Wash and Go shampoo. Let's see. And I'm just going to pour some in my hair, and I'm just going to start massaging my hair with it. It smells delicious. Some more. And I'm going to take some water and I'm going to douse my hair. I believe this is like a no poo shampoo, which is awesome. It's perfect for this. I'm going to add a little more. It's a no poo shampoo, as you can tell. It's not making no type of foam or anything. This is not my usual way that I wash my hair, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the process of using the products because I don't have the right equipment to take videos in the shower, so that makes things a little difficult. Okay, I'm going to, as you can see, I can feel the shampoo here, but it's not foaming. It's foaming very, very little. I'm going to rinse this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already took my the shampoo off. My hair feels a little, it's tangled. Now I'm going to use the coconut custard Make It Last Wash and Go conditioner. This says to apply in clean wet hair, work to your roots to the ends, leave-in for up to 3 minutes to rinse, and prep hair for a styling with your wash and go curl primer. So let's see what is this all about. It's very thick. It's very, very thick. This is not my original wash product. As you can see, my hair is extremely tangled. So I'm going to apply more product and then somehow try to tangle, and I'll be back. This is how we are looking so far. It's almost all tangled. Now I'm going to rinse this off and I'll be back for the third step. So I took all the conditioner out and this is how my hair is looking so far. Now we're going to go with the curl primer. I never used this before, so I don't know. Take your curls definition to the next level. We are wash and go defining gel oil. Okay, so let's try this. Let me get there quick. Okay, and I guess I'm just going to start working with a small amount. Stays in the palm of my hands, so I always try to push it, like put the product in my fingers. Very time-consuming method. Never used it before, but because it is an instruction, I'm going to try. This is not about scrunching your hair, so I'm just going to leave it alone. So this is how we're looking so far. It took me a good 30 to 45 minutes to do the method that it recommends for this product. Now you can see, I don't know if every time you use it you have to use the same method, but it says that if you want more definition to use that. So now the next part is using the defining gel oil. Okay, let me see. Let's open it. So this is how it looks. Okay, it's very runny as you can see. So it says that you have to, again, section your hair. So let's take the bottom part out, and it says to use praying hand method. Rub and I like to scrunch my hair just a bit. So I just work to the side, and obviously a little bit goes a long way. Okay, now this section now pour. Not adding any more. I'm just gonna never tried a custard before, so this is a little different. I feel like my hair feels a little hard already, but we're going to keep going. Alright, I'm going to finish applying this all over my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I got the definition gel all over my hair. It feels a little weird, but a good weird, if you know what I'm saying. Now I'm going to use my blow dryer and the Curly Company diffuser, and I'm going to diffuse my hair and see the results. Then we're going to go to step number 5. So, you can already tell that my hair is going to have tons of definition, which is always good. And this is how my hair looks. It's almost completely dry. It's kind of feels a little hard, like if I had like some type of gel, but I'm thinking maybe because of this, that's the combination of the defining gel and the primer, which I'm not mad about. I really like it. Now we're going to use the, let's see, the 5th step will be the Reviver oil. Let's repeat. Really like the definition in the hair. Can't be mad about it. My hair is just a small, it's still a little damp, so I'm going to finish getting it dry because I just felt it over here. It's a little damp. So I'm just gonna finish drying it and then I'll be back. Now it's my hair. My hair is 100%. I'm just gonna spray some in my palm and I'm gonna do it scotch. Okay, I guess like I normally would do with my. I want to try it out like this. The only reason why I'm spraying it like that is because, you know, my hair been feeling a little dry lately, so maybe this will help also to bring more moisture to my hair. But other than that, now I'm just gonna use my pick. I'm gonna pick my hair like a normal. It's more defined than what it normally is. When I wash it with any other collection that I have, you can tell it's really more defined. And this is the result. I like the results. I love how defined my hair looks. My curls look. They don't look as now out of the collection. I love how they smell. The only thing that kind of throw me off out of the collection is this, because you have to do it section by section, and because you gotta take you gotta do the shingling method. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that kind of like throw me off a little because it's just a little bit time consuming. But other than that, I absolutely love this collection. Coconut Custard Washing Go collection. I absolutely love it. I am so excited to got to try this. I love the results. I love how my hair looks. They look so defined. Like, I've never seen my hair like this before. Normally it's like one thing, curls all over. I like it. As you can see also the length on my hair. How is it gonna look tomorrow? Well, we don't know. But as for right now, I am loving it. So if you have not tried this collection, go ahead, buy it, try it, because it is amazing. I absolutely love it. Like I said, the only thing that kind of threw me off a little was the primer, but other than that, I absolutely love it. I am going to try it again, but I'm going to do like what I normally do with my hair, just to see if it will look the same versus using the shingling method where I have to like do section by section all the time. I wanted to do if the result will be the same. But other than that, I love it. Don't forget that if you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you're aware when I upload my videos. And nothing, like I said, if you haven't tried this collection, let me show it to you one more time. If you haven't tried this collection, if you haven't tried, go ahead and buy it, because believe me, it will be totally worth it. And nothing, with that being said, it will be on to the next one.